Persistent the accelerated propagation of people acquiring HIV all over the world. Scientists, researchers, and doctors have been in a race against time in order to find a cure for the said disease. But ever since the spark of this crusade, they've only achieved very little in understanding and in taming HIV. Recent studies suggest that the number of people acquiring HIV has doubled in just a span of 6 years, until a somehow accidental discovery that that can bring the answer a lot of people are hoping for. This proposed cure happened when 2 patients, both living with HIV, undergone bone marrow transplant in order to cure lymphoma, a type of blood cancer. Doctors were hoping that the bone marrow transplant would permanently kill lymphoma, and the newly introduced bone marrows would engulf to the older ones. But they were shocked to discover that all traces of HIV were gone as well. After the transplant and after undergoing antiretroviral therapy, there were no traces of HIV on both patients. As exciting as it might sound, bone marrow transplant is not yet considered as the cure for HIV. Scientists and doctors are still checking these 2 patients. They're still undergoing constant checkups and biopsies in order to test whether the traces of HIV were already gone, especially on the reservoir tissues. A part where it's actually the hardest, the part where HIV actually lurks, which is so hard to find. Bone marrow transplant is a risky and expensive process. It brings about 15 to 20% death rates and has a lot of setbacks. Even though, despite the potential bone marrow transplant has exhibited, it is still far from being the cure of HIV. Studies and researchers are still needed in order to know whether it is really the cure a lot of people are hoping for.